try to reach you, but you see I said I'm empty, I fell right through the cracks. And now I'm trying to get back. Before the couldn't run out of keeping in my besties, and nothing gonna stop me but to find innovation. The record is again my turn to win someone from some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. He cannot wait. I know that no. Like me, open up your plans and then you're free. Look into your heart and you find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the mama, people that incense. We just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved. Love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more. No more, he cannot wait. I'm sure there's a need to complicate our time. He's sure reasons our reason. I know, so good job, never custody. I will never your ear. I've been spent away too long to keep my tongue the mirror, impending over packages. My secret, but mouth popped up the glass, and I drew in her face and I left. Bending on my packages to try secret to read the super vanities who hate the seasons is what we aim to do. I won't hesitate you, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. He cannot wait. I'm yours, but open up your heart, see like me. Open up your plans and then you're free. Look into your heart and you find all the sky is yours. So please don't, there's a need to complicate it, 'cause our time is short. This is all play.